Hey guys, just got a call from the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. It's an emergency service. Her battery just died and she's a nurse, so we gotta kind of go to the hospital and do a ER work at the hospital, which is kind of funny and ironic because of the fact that we are ER and they are also ER as well. Some way, since it's a hospital and they have their own ER department and we are the PHON-ER. So ERs are joining forces to fix a battery of a phone that needs to be next to the nurse, with the nurse at all times for her job, as she said. And we are going to the hospital now. It's pretty close to my house. It's literally 15, like so close. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like literally like 5 minutes or less, but like probably 15 minutes with parking and everything, since the parking is usually a little tough there, but cool. We're going to fix the phone there. Now let's see if the car's coming. Once we get there, I'll put the camera on with the tripod I have with my GoPro. It's part of the stick. It's kind of cool, and we'll get that recorded, and so you'll see how it looks to change the battery for a iPhone 6s. Great. Talk to you soon. True, in the meantime, thank you. We parked in a shopping center parking lot. That's the only way we can get to the hospital without having to pay a super high fee for the parking. Hopefully our car will be here when we come back. Usually it will be, because the market is not really like that crazy. Maybe the other stores are. So here we are, walking towards the hospital for 30 years. Set. Be here, right there. As you can see, that orange building with the little butterfly, that's Children's Hospital. That's where we're going, but I'm not sure what the entrance is. We gotta find out right now where it is. It's perfect. It's funny, like I live like literally 4 blocks away, and it's like so close to me. I've never been there before. Actually, I've been there once when my sister was born. That was like when I was 12. That's years ago, 20 years ago. I know my age, yes. Here we have to wait to cross the street. It's a red light, that's what I'm going. We're crossing. Crossing the red light. That's where it is, right? there's another entrance that I don't know about, so it's probably around this side, around it. There's some other people that wanted to get in there and they couldn't. So I'm guessing it's, yeah, there you go, that's the main entrance.
I'm blind.
The stage is right in front of me. Main entrance, Children's Hospital. So funny. Hilarious. This is right in front of me. Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, which is in East Hollywood, Los Feliz Village, in that area. That's where I'm supposed to meet my person fixing the phone. Hey, how are you? Hey.
Good, how are you?
Although, okay, I'm like, hi, how are you? Oh, so that's the one?
Yeah, this is the one.
Oh, it's the big one. I thought you said it was a 6S. I mean, I still have it, I just don't have it with me. I have to go back.
Okay.
It's a 6S Plus.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. I just have to walk like 2 blocks. Okay, cool. So, I should just say, wait a minute, maybe she meant the other one too. Okay, so I'll be right back.
Okay.
I guess I know where to meet now.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, just so you don't have to be late, just give me like, I guess, 10 minutes to walk back and forth.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
Thank you. Told me the wrong model, so I got the wrong battery. I have to walk all the way back now. Horrible. Where's the other way I can park close by? Where's the other way? And that'll be so chill. Okay, it's fine. Just have to walk all the way back there. All the way back here. Fine, it happens all the time. Usually I would drive, but this time I couldn't drive because the parking here is pretty expensive. It's for the hospital, so it's like $5 for every like half an hour, 20 minutes. That would leave me no profit, so I have to kind of take the bullet and say, okay, it's fine. You know. With you. Yeah, better. Maybe I can just walk all the way there and do it. There's the journey that we go through every day as repairmen for iPhones or any other gadgets. We have to kind of go through loops once in a while because of wrong information that we collect from our customers. Can't really blame them. I don't know much about phones most of the time, so it's okay. That's what we're here for, you know. That's about it. So we have to go all the way to our car. Hopefully the security guard wouldn't like see us that we parked in the wrong spot. And no one just look at us like, hey, I know you parked when we walked away. I'll be like, hey buddy, we're all trying to do our job, you know. We're all trying to work here. It's not like I'm trying to work for free and you know. I mean, what's it to, you know? Just there for security, not just to be a bad guy. Anyways, here we are. This is the cool big Kaiser Hospital. Huge. It's a pretty cool corner, right? all the way back. All the way back to the parking lot. Another, I say, a block and a half to go. A little bit more. This is my exercise. That's why I'm going to the gym, because just walking like this, it gives me my full exercise already. Be right back, guys. I'm just here now, just getting that part. Got everything from my car. Now we're just gonna walk there. Yep, walk there. I walked there right. It's just a block down. It's not bad. Okay, blocks down. Walk there and see what's happening. Where I park. Kind of a open complex. A lot of shops, a lot of people. Pretty safe. Back to the children's hospital. This time we have everything we need, so it should be quick. Swipe, done. Get to work. Same old. True. Honestly, the best workout I ever got, because lately I've been kind of a homebody by just staying home and just doing editing and research and all the other stuff and websites work, programming and whatever talent I usually use in my spare time. Just keep the flow on and keep it productive 100, all the time. That's pretty much my daily objective, is to just stay productive and stay busy and get things done and have checks at the end of the day of what I have done and what I've left to do and in progress. I don't think I'll make this light, so I'll just wait until another 3-4 minutes of walking and we'll be there. No problem. That was quick, wasn't it? And we thought we thought it was gonna take a long time, but nope. Quick. That's an Uber. Back in like 12-13 minutes. He was 7:15 or 7:17. Yeah, it literally took 10-11 minutes. Almost 10 minutes actually. Back to the place. She hasn't gone. There she is. Okay guys, we're about to record this. The job, of course. I'm back.
Cool.
Hey, thank you for waiting for so patient. Okay, so can I do it here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yay. And I'm gonna put it on my GoPro. No. Cool. I have a YouTube channel that
Oh,
I
cool.
pretty much put all my things there, so you literally see your stuff in there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'll send you a link.
Okay, cool.
Started.
I'm sure that's what it is. So what happened is a couple of weeks
tell me.
ago, I wet it,
Oh, okay.
and then it charges fine and
But it dies
everything.
quick?
But it dies real quick.
Yeah, that means the battery. Yeah, because usually during water damage, so the two things that go down. It's either the battery or the screen. So if the screen is good, that means the battery just took a hit.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
So you're alright.
All right.
Not doing about phones, but you're pretty on target.
I figured because right now I just shut it off because I downloaded something and I tried to turn it back on and I was like, oh no.
Wow. And it just literally just went to like very low.
No, it just wouldn't turn back on. But it
Oh, I see,
charges,
I see.
like, but the battery dies like real quick.
Okay, cool. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll make sure that I dry up a little bit.
Okay.
Whatever. I mean, and how long ago was this when you wet it?
Probably about 2 weeks ago now.
Okay. I mean, usually when that happens, well, I mean, you know my number, but usually if you wet it again, just call me right away because it's really crucial that first few minutes when you wet the first few hours, it's really important for for the phone to be opened up and dried up. You know?
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, it'll kind of like, I mean, not all the time.
Uh-huh.
It depends on how bad the water damage got there because sometimes like it doesn't even hurt the phone because the 6S's, this ones, actually have a pretty cool steel all around it, so it usually is fine. But because the battery is like right here, it literally goes through it, you know?
Okay.
Okay. So today we're changing a 6S battery, 6S Plus.
I called and I was like, I hope we can do it.
You found me on
Yelp.
Okay, cool. I'm glad the Yelp still works. No, this is your first time the phone is being opened?
Yeah. I've cracked the screen multiple times, but nothing with the battery.
Okay, yeah, because I can see the phone has been opened before. And I bought this in case you didn't have one, but you do. So I was gonna gift you a tempered glass.
Oh, okay.
I usually don't pay for this. If you ever need one, just let me know. It's freebie.
Oh, cool. All right.
As a previous customer. So that's how we open the 6S Plus. It's kind of a tricky one. We gotta slide it in there. You said you broke the screen numerous times.
Yeah, twice.
I hope they don't. I hope they don't charge you like too much.
It's like $100.
Oh, that's good. Okay. $100 is just fair. That's a good price. I mean, if you broke it like a long time ago, it would have been a lot more. But I mean, like a week ago, no, a year ago, you super
Oh, it was
expensive.
more expensive.
Yeah, so the battery, it doesn't seem to. But I mean, yeah, it's water damage, so it'll look normal. Usually, if the battery is really bad, it'll kind of blow up and it'll feel like pregnant. I call it the pregnant effect, but it's not.
It looks good.
Yeah, but it's fine. But I mean, again, because it's water damage, you can actually tell if it's fine or not because it's inside that is damaged, you know.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it works fine.
Yeah.
It dies right after I charge it for like an hour.
I believe you. I do. I do. I'm telling you, I know I didn't say you were lying. No. Okay, this one, but it's funny because the water thing, the battery actually like slipped to the right
Oh, okay.
because the water just made the thing kind of like
Loose.
loose, like a goose. Kind of like a goose. Okay. I mean, you just pull this up and then. I call this the wedgie effect. It's the wedgie. You guys feel like I'm catching a thing, you know, like a bull, like throwing like at a rodeo. So you're working until 1 in the morning?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I know somebody else that worked at the reception. Her name is Susie.
Oh, yeah. She works during the day.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she's my. She's working for a long time, right? It's crazy. It's a small world. Everyone knows everyone.
Right?
But don't tell her that I was here because she's like, oh, I can't believe you guys. Okay. Now all the wedges are out, so now we can. So the battery is still cold, which you can know that it's, Okay. The battery is we're just without this. Okay, we're good. Good. Still like trying to find the camera that I can't even like work. I'm like, okay, stop. Who cares about it now?
Cut.
Guys, just cut it out.
It's dirty. Why?
I know. I'm just like I'm losing my my focus because of the camera. It's okay. It's my fourth recording, so it's not. I'm not gonna movie at it right now.
Is this where it got messed up?
No, it just kind of. I mean, the way it is that you'll not even know which part of it because you kind of give it like a short circuit.
Oh, I see.
The water just got to it, so it's kind of like just one little combustion, and then
That's it.
it's kind of like someone getting like dying from a like a biological weapon. You don't see any damages, but it's in there.
Yeah.
Unless you open, and then you have to take a toxicology test and everything. And I'm getting like serious right now. It's horrible. Why is it turning on? Okay. I want to make sure that it turns all the way on. Before, like, let's say you would go to an app and then the phone would actually have the plug, right?
Yeah, I have the
Yeah.
plug.
Just to plug it in, and right here, just put the percentage on. You know, the percentage in the battery. This way, you'll see like it actually charges and charges. Usually, I would test it, but it's a brand new battery, so it should be fine.
Okay.
But if not, I mean, I always here, so I can always come back at like at the 1 in the morning before you leave. So close. I was just talking to the video. I was like, it's so funny. Like, you guys are like a hospital, and I'm also a hospital for the phone.
That's cool.
So
and I
kinda
work in the
funny.
emergency department.
Really?
Yeah.
And I'm the ER, you know. So it's like literally, I'm like two doctors. Like kind of. I was like on the video. I was like, there is two doctors coming together to save the phone. You know? how adorable is that? Legendary. That's cool.
Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
I'm glad I could be so close to you.
I know.
Oh man, I should have brought some. I should have brought some cards. Okay, I mean you have my number, so.
Yeah.
I just gave a whole deck out, and I was just telling myself, I'm like, take some cards before you leave the car, and guess what I did? I just
I do that all the time.
Here we have the new battery thing, and we brought tears to her face because she's happy.
Yes, I'm so happy.
I don't want to put your face there because then you feel really like, what? That's her. Yeah, okay. And then you'll see yourself on YouTube like, hey, I know that.
You're like, what?
And like once my page goes like, I mean it's gonna get big soon enough because I'm gonna do more. I'm literally gonna like record every single job and.
Did you just start doing this, or you've been doing this for a while already?
This like for a year.
Oh, that's cool.
But I've been like honestly, I have a background from Apple, so I've been there before. You know.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
I work inside things, so I know like everything about everything, the software and hardware.
Oh, nice.
So if you ask me any questions over the phone, like something is off, I'm like, yeah, that's how you do this to fix that, or that problem, the hardware caused from this thing. Even if you didn't tell me the water damage, like I will tell you why your something was working or not working.
Yeah.
Yes, you know. So okay, cool. There you go. I didn't even get your name. Sonia.
Sonia.
Cool. Like from Mortal Kombat. Awesome. I'm Lukank now.
Cool. I'm so excited. Awesome.
Cool. And then this thing, do you want to keep it as a souvenir? Or?
No, I'm good.
I mean, usually, I know people that actually go to the store that has frames and they'll just frame their battery.
I don't want to remember that I dropped my phone in the water.
Yeah, exactly, right? Looking at the memory. And then you will use a card, yeah? Correct? Card?
No, I got cash for
Oh,
you.
cool. Damn. You're a cash person. Even better.
I'm a cash person.
Uncle Ben wouldn't know. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me.
Yeah, definitely.
And tonight when you get home, whenever you do, charge the phone for good 8 hours. Because the phone needs its good 8 hours at this one time before like a long use, you know.
Okay.
So today use it, but don't let the phone die. Just keep charging.
Charging it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just plug it in and put the percentage on, the battery percentage, and see like if the percentage goes up to like 5% more, and then you're good to go.
So before I start using it right now, you suggest
I mean, you can still use it, but I mean,
yeah.
but just see if you plug it in for more than 10 minutes, if you see like the battery going up, you know.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
Thank you again.
Thank you very, very
Thank you.
much.
Yeah, you're awesome. And another happy customer.
Yes, very much.
Thank you.
See ya.
Bye. True. PHON-ER.